For a company to exist for 50 years really demonstrates just how well they have provided recommendations to their clients over the years. I think that's a tremendous demonstration of their reputation over the years.
Clients come to us because of the experience they've had with us, and they know that we've stood the test of time, and they know that we have the experience to get it done just because of the mature brand recognition that we have.
I think that that's something that is really beneficial to CTL, is that we're able to keep people. So when clients reach out to us, it's good experience and regional experience that we're providing to them.
I think it just says something about our culture and and who we are. I think people take pride in knowing that about what CTL has done, what we've done in our history. We're in our 50th year right now, and all they hear from the leadership and the more senior people is how we're going to progress through, going forward. There's nothing about taking steps back. We're only talking about moving forward. So I think that keeps everyone engaged and wanting to keep pushing the things in both the industry and what we do.